Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to put on a tempered glass protector on a iPad. This is the latest model of the iPad, 2018 model. So when you first get your iPad, obviously, there's no protection on the screen, so you want to get something that you can protect. So protect the screen from damage or scuffs or any kind of, scratches that might happen when you use it. So the first thing you should do is to clean the surface of the iPad. So normally when you first purchase the tempered glass protector kit, it normally comes with, a wet wipe and a dry wipe that you could use to wipe the screen and to clean out any kind of debris or dust that are on the screen. So this is, something that you should do first before you even attempt to put on the glass. Otherwise, there might be fingerprint or smudges or any kind of dust and debris that's on the screen. So in my case, this is a brand new iPad that I just took out of the box. So I'm not gonna, use this because the screen is already relatively clean. But I do notice some dust and specks that are on the screen after I took it out of the original packaging. So I'm gonna use this dust remover, which is pretty much a tape that you can run across or dab across the surface to remove any kind of dust or debris that are on the screen, so that when you apply your screen protector, it wouldn't create any kind of bubble or imperfection on the screen when you apply the tempered glass. So as you can see, I'm going to run this across the screen to make sure I'm satisfied with cleanliness of the screen and that everything has been removed from the screen. That I'm pretty satisfied with, because you cannot be 100% perfect with this, because in the oven environment there sure be some dust and debris floating around. So no matter how hard you try, you might still get a slight or a little speck here and there, but try your best to clean it up. And then once you're satisfied with the screen, then you can proceed to the next step.